Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, I hope you have seen our previous videos on integration. As I always say that learning is more important than solving a problem. And in this video we are going to learn a new integration, which is this. Now this integration looks very small, but it is not very easy to solve. For that you need to intelligently do some calculations so that this problem can be little easier. Okay, so let's try to do that first. So here I am writing this tan to the power 7x as tan to the power 5x into tan square x. I can do that. Okay, now this tan square x, I am writing it as sec square x minus 1, because we know that sec square x minus tan square x is 1. So tan to the power 5x into sec square x minus 1 into dx. I am going to tell you the reason why I am doing this kind of calculation. Okay, so now you just multiply. So here it is going to be tan to the power 5x into sec square x minus integration, okay, 1 dx will be there, and then tan to the power 5x into dx. Okay, now you keep this integration as it is and do the same kind of calculation here in the tan to the power 5x. That means you first write it down, tan to the power 5x into sec square x dx, and then tan cube x into tan square x. See the similar kind of calculation I am doing here. Okay, I am going to write this tan square as sec square minus 1 again. So tan to the power 5x sec square x dx minus integration tan cube x into sec square x minus 1 into dx. Then again multiply, same kind of calculation. Okay, so integration tan to the power 5x into sec square x into dx minus integration tan cube x sec square x dx minus integration tan cube x dx. Okay, now again do the same kind of calculation here, tan into tan square, and then write that tan square as sec square minus 1, then again multiply. So I am skipping some steps. Okay, and finally we are getting by jumping some steps. So sec square x dx minus, this is going to be tan x sec square x dx. Okay, and then this is going to be, so okay, I did a mistake here, this is going to be plus. Okay, and then this is also plus, so this is going to be integration tan x dx. Okay, I think up to this everything is fine. Okay, now can you see the reason why I am doing this kind of calculation? Actually now I am going to apply substitution method, but the question is what is the function I am going to substitute? I am actually going to substitute tan theta tan x as z, because if we differentiate it, it is going to be sec square x dx equal to dz. So I am doing all these calculations because I want to bring sec square term into each of this tan to the power 5 and then tan cube, each of this tan term. I think the reason is clear, because the differentiation of tan is sec square. That's why I was breaking every tan to the power 7 and then tan to the power 5 and make it in terms of tan to the power 5 into tan square, tan cube into tan square, and replacing that tan square as sec square minus 1, so that sec square term can come. Okay, so that was the reason of this kind of calculations. So let's just substitute it. So this is going to be z to the power 5 dx, sorry, dz. This is going to be z cube dz. This is going to be z dz, and this integration is separate, so we are not going to substitute it here. So this is, you just keep it, we will differentiate, integrate it later, okay, because we already know the formula of integration tan x, which is log of mod sec x, okay. Now these integrations are very simple, isn't it? So it is going to be z to the power 6 by 6 minus z to the power 4 by 4 plus z square by 2, and then this is, as I said, log of mod sec x plus c. Every integration is done, so we added integration constant, okay. Now just replace the value of z as z equal to tan x. So this is going to be 1 by 6 tan to the power 6x minus 1 by 4 tan to the power 4x plus 1 by 2 tan square x minus log of mod sec x plus c. This is the answer. We are done. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.